all crocodile in sit rock.
Okay.
This is crocodile pond. This is 1 kilometer.
Okay.
This is boat. This is all crocodile.
Okay.
मतलब जहाँ पे
this is actually for a crocodile sanctuary.
Yeah, go.
This way?
No. This way, I think. Because this is where the entrance
Main road पे
is.
जाने के लिए.
Breakfast. It's breakfast time, typical breakfast. So we're on our way towards Waterfall. Let's see. There is also like this. The buffaloes.
अच्छा कितना आगे हो गए अभी सीजन है
Okay, go to the waterfall.
This is for us. So
Amra.
finally we are here already, and
यार महाराज अबे हमने
this is. हाँ क्या बोल रहे थे?
तो इसमें
300 मीटर नहीं 300 मीटर का राउंड है फिर
इसमें 300 मीटर का जो राउंड है एक फर्स्ट पॉइंट है एक सेकंड पॉइंट है और एक तीसरा पॉइंट है
अच्छा
300 मीटर में पैदल चल के घूमेंगे और इसमें जैसे कि थोड़ा बहुत जंगल अगर घूमना है तो जंगल तो सेम ही रहेगा
जंगल में तो क्या ही घूमना है जंगल तो घूमते ही रहते हैं यार
हाँ।
और जंगल क्रॉस
जी,
करते
जी।
हुए आए हैं पूरा विंध्याचल
तो-
रेंज क्रॉस करते
जी,
हुए आए
जी।
हैं Okay, so this is the fall. I don't know how much water they have it here, but it's pretty nice, huh? Whoa! Check it out. I wish I had a drone. Oh my god! I wish I had a drone. Literally, that's like a natural pool, huh?
Yes.
And then they have a spot there. These are all granite, huh? These are like from volcano eruption. Ah, that's how you're getting a good picture. That's how, like, how come her phone is taking such a nice pictures, huh?
Because it's your phone. Because mine. That's nice pictures, but not as nice as yours. At this wonderful, wonderful place. He's taking amazing pictures. Look at this. It's not that much water, so the waterfall was small. The waterfall comes down over there. I will show you that later on when we walk back. But this here is just incredible. Look at this. What do you want?
My phone. Can I have my phone, please?
Now it's mine.
भैया एक तो what do you want?
I want water.
एक पानी की बोतल दे दो ठंडी, ठीक है? और एक हमको दे दो यार तुम।
And you want this thing or lassi or what do you want?
कॉफ़ी दे दो क्रीम बेल की, सुना है अच्छी है। चोको चोको ये जो, हाँ ये वाला। कितने का है? 30। ठीक है। कितना हो गया टोटल? 60 ना 60। हाँ। पानी वानी कब रहता है भैया?
बरसात में रहता है।
बरसात ना, मतलब सितंबर तक आ जाओ। That's what even I was thinking. Maybe September is a good month here to visit, because by September is a good month to visit here because there's more water. So, but otherwise it's nice, you know. The place is really nice. It needs to be promoted.
We have to do with the GoPro. We have to go also where the waterfall is actually.
Where the waterfall is? GoPro I
Where
recorded.
we come.
I recorded.
You recorded
In the
that?
beginning I did that, and it's not catching it because it's so far. Maybe from phone I want. You recorded from phone?
No.
Lead very cool.
Okay.
So this time no.
No, huh?
Only water underground.
Okay.
It's too hot for them.
Yeah, yeah. Like for us.
This is November month. In December, November, January.
Maybe
Sure,
you can see.
Sure crocodile.
Okay.
So
who says
all-
crocodile
we are
does
too
not feel
early.
cold?
all natural area. All crocodile in sit rock.
Okay.
This is crocodile pond. This is 1 kilometer.
Okay.
This is boat. This is all crocodile.
Okay.
मतलब जहाँ पे
This is actually for a crocodile sanctuary only.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
It's
yeah.
like
I
this
saw
is
it.
made,
no?
yeah.
For this, I want.
Yeah, but it's too hot.
Crocodiles. I'm not in zoo because I don't like zoos. This it's amazing, no? Because here they live. Here you can see them. That's what I want to
Yeah.
see.
Never mind. Better luck next time.
But yeah, and also we have other spots. They say maybe we can see crocodiles. We'll see.
We'll see. I think it will be same, but maybe maybe.
Because there is
it's
like also another place, no? We have seen.
अगर सब
Let's see the stunt he's doing. Oh, careful with the camera.
But lifted. It got lifted, huh?
Yeah, yeah, I got lifted. I don't know if they could see on the camera. So yeah, it was
course they
actually
could
very nice here. Crocodiles we cannot spot, but it's okay.
Whom are you recording?
Just
Nature's
Just it.
trail.
yes, natural trail.
Yeah, but if you see, these are all teak woods. This is a teak wood forest. Teak woods, people who knows, it's good. If they don't know, teak woods are one of the most expensive wood. It never get bad. I mean, like in any condition, the mostly wooden doors you see from the king's time and all, it's all made from teak wood. And it's super expensive. It's super expensive. Mostly this is teak. So if you read it here,
Teak.
these are the mostly things which you see. Gharial, which is sort of a crocodile, not really crocodile.
Oh,
but
yeah,
it's
I know.
like
With the
younger
long-
brother. Yeah. Wolf, wild dog, blue bull, chinkara, spotted deer, wild boar, jackal, Indian fox, langur, monkey. Langur, which we saw it.
Yeah.
Monkey, peacock, monitor lizard, and hyena.
The hyena I want to see. Let's go and search one. It would be very nice if we could zoom.
Now, if you Want? I can zoom it to this. I put this.
That you can see, you know. Zoom.
Oh, this is nice. So do you understand, right?
Yes, I understand.
Simple.
I'm not
This?
stupid.
This, okay? This and this. And if you want little bit, you can do this. Little down. Okay?
Okay.
So 3 movement. This,
And
this also you can do if you want. This would be really nice. From
yeah,
up in
but
the air.
I don't know the trees.